Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome back to my new channel. Welcome back to my new vlog. So right now we are in the SFS school and we are getting ready to celebrate the Independence Day. So keep watching, support, we wish you all a happy Independence Day. The flower, we are getting ready for hosting the flag. So we are preparing the flowers, making smaller, no? See. So these are the best dancers of SFS school. So they are getting ready. Makeup is going on. Say hi, hello. Hey. This is class 8. So they have drawn this for Independence Day. See how beautiful they have drawn this. So these are the best dancers. Say Happy Independence Day. This is Annie, not Annie. You, Annie, okay. So this is the banner of the day. SFS School, 79th Independence Day 2025. So this is the banner. Class 5, no? Class 5. So they have it, let's see. Happy Independence Day. These are the students of class 5. For what you are here today? For what? For what you are here today? Huh? For what? So slowly they are coming, students. For the day, Independence Day. They're coming slowly. Now it's around 7:30 I think maybe. So everyone is getting ready. So that side also. Getting ready. Saramor is coming here. Let's see, wait. This way. There is Saramor. Hello. Yes, Saramor, say something. For the day. Say hello. These are the dancers. Say hi, hello. Hello. These are the dancers. So these are the best dancers of our school. Say hello. Say Happy Independence Day. What is this? Huh? What is this? Gun. AK-47. Huh? They are just preparing for the dance. So these are the best dancers. Look here. Dance, and what is this? Elizabeth, no? Dancing. Here's the class teacher. Hi, good morning to everyone. Today is really a very happy day because we are celebrating the Independence Day on 79th Independence Day. So at the same day, we also celebrated the feast day of our Mother Mary of Assumption. Today is a double celebration for all of us. So we are very happy and very glad to be celebrating part of our India. So thank you.
Parents and I to all the well-wishers. Today is a very special day for the Indians because it was on this day in 1947 our country India got its freedom from the clutches of the colonial rule, that is from the British power. Today
patriotic song. So they're much excited. Both singers of SFS School ready for the songs, group songs.